Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, mag-unbox ulit tayo ng package natin. So, gagamitin natin ito pang DIY. Bali, nasira kasi yung dynamic microphone namin. For some reason, ano na siya, grounded. I tried to repair it pero hindi kinaya ng powers ko. So, bumili ako ng voice coil. Ayaw mabuksan. Wala tayong gunting. Kailangan natin ng gunting. Walang gunting. Ito na lang. Pliers na lang. Oh, kakaibang unboxing to. Pliers ang gamit. Okay, so ito siya. Pangalan nito ay LODA. LODA M2000 Pro Sound by LODA Electronics. So, iisa lang siya. Isa lang yung laman niya. Safe naman yung lagayan niya kasi syempre plastic. Hindi basta-basta mayuyupi. Pero yung nasa loob na yupi. So, ganito siya guys. Ayan. Bali, ihihinang lang to doon sa dating dynamic microphone. Ayan. Gagawin ko ng video yan. Pag kinabit ko na. Meron naman siyang packaging. So, sabi dun sa features nito, the frequency response according to the specialized design and speech characteristic, the KTV environment. Inside area quality, brightness, tone, color, warm, but emollient degree, having a sense of plenty. Di ko naintindihan. It can effectively prevent handhold and attacking noises. Suitable for professional upscale equipments with good setup, a KTV environment. Di ko maintindihan yung sentence construction nila. Performance parameters. Cartridge 2000, M2000. Type neodymium dynamic. Ang frequency response 50, 17,000 AG. Directional, unidirectional. And sensitivity 1 kHz, 73 dB plus 2 dB. Weight 70 grams. Impedance 400. So yun guys, LODA M2000 LODA M2000 Pro Sound.